Hey guys, I'm not wearing lashes today, obviously, and I feel really naked, and also don't really love this lip shade. This is like actually 3 different lip shades because I put the first one on and it was too pink, and then I put like a brown one on, but that didn't really work, so I kind of like half rubbed them off and then put something else on, and it's not a vibe. I think it's too much with the no lashes, you know? But anyway, we're here. We're just gonna persist. I'm sorry if I look a bit weird. But today I have an exciting video because we're gonna go through and do a haul, but I'm also going to do this a little bit differently. So this is a haul from Nail House, but I think it's like pronounced like Nail Horse, like Nail House, you know, like Burger House, which if you don't live in Tasmania, you probably don't know what Burger House is, but it's Burger Joint. But anyway, house is spelled H-A-U-S-E, but I'm just going to call it Nail House because it's easier for me. But I'm also going to do swatches. So these are acrylic powders. So I've already gone through and swatched them all, which took a little while. But yeah, we're just going to get into it. So the first thing first, they came in these cute little boxes and then we had like 4 powders in each. I got 16 of these. They had a huge sale on. I've never bought from Spray before. Like this is my first time buying from them. But yeah, they had a massive sale on. So I took advantage. I think it was like 60% off or 60% off, 60% off or something like that, which was really exciting. So I feel like I got all of this stuff for a pretty good deal. So yeah, it was 60% off. Then I also used an influencer code, which was Snow Glam. So my order was $155.97, and that was including shipping, and that was in USD. So obviously you got to convert that to Australian. But I feel like it was pretty good considering that we got 16 acrylic powders. Not a bad deal. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Of course it is. So, before I show you these swatches, I just want to start the video by saying that I'm practicing with acrylics. My acrylic skill is not very great at the moment, and it's something that I'm obviously practicing on. So these are not filed. These are 1 coat of acrylic. Not filed, not primed, not top coated, and they haven't been rubbed with alcohol or anything like that. It's literally just, I've literally just put the acrylic on a fake nail tip to show you how they look, the colour, basically. So let's get it. I'm gonna zoom you in, because I feel like that works best for these type of videos. So this is the packaging of the little Nail House things, and I think they're adorable. And then we have a little NH stamped in the top. Obviously for Nail House, and then we're going to just start the swatches. So this one here is called Polar Express, and this is the shade here. It might be one of my favorite shades that I got. I just think it's absolutely stunning and so vibrant, so beautiful. This shade next is called Poppy. This is Poppy. Stunning. This one here is called Nudish. And I'm laughing because my swatch of this one is very bad, but that's okay. This one is such a stunning shade though. Love it. Okay, this one might be another favourite. This one is called Love Machine. It's the swatch. How beautiful! Okay, next we have Mink. Is like a pinky, and that is Mink. Also another favorite, this one is called Girl Crush. I'm so excited to do some sets using these as well. Like I feel like these shades are really pretty. I have quite a few favorites because I also love this one a lot. This one here is called Cherry Blossom. That is Cherry Blossom. Next we have Cashmere. This one has a little speck of purple in it, but that's not meant to be there. That's just what was left over on my brush. And this next shade is pretty similar. This one is called Honey Butter. And I love that name because it reminds me of cookie butter, which is one of my favourite things in the whole world. It is the Biscoff spread. We have Bluebell next. Bluebell. This one is called Sugar Plum. Then we have Sweet Pea. This one's really cool. This one's quite unique actually. Have some really cute shades in there. I love it. It's really nice. Next we have Luna. This one is called Enchanted, and I really like this one as well. We have Crystal Clear. Now keep in mind, I did try and dip this one in nail polish remover to try and like see if it would be less foggy, and I think it had the opposite effect and made it more foggy. So I feel like this isn't what it's going to actually look like. And I don't know if you can see, but like it ruined where it's all like foggy on the nail tip, but like on the actual this bit here, I feel like something weird happened there. So I feel like that's not a very accurate swatch. Then the last one that I have is called Princessa. And I really like this shade too. Okay, so those are the swatches. I think that these are absolutely beautiful and I'm really, really excited to try them out. I also got a cuticle oil in the scent Green Apple, and I just love this packaging. Like, is that not super cute? So this is the nail oil here. And oh, it smells so good. I hate fake apple scents, but this one smells like juicy, like, oh, really good, really nice apple scent. So I'm really, really impressed with that. And I love a good cuticle oil. Yeah, that was everything that I got from Nail House or Nail House. I don't know. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down below which shade was your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.